Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Genevieve Newton. I'm the Scientific Director of Fringe, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to make an immune boosting smoothie. So immune system, obviously super important, keeps us healthy, especially during a pandemic. And there's lots of foods and supplements that we can take to help to boost our immune system. So I like to start off with a mixture of frozen fruit. I've got cherries and blackberries and blueberries in here. These are all things that are really rich in antioxidants, very important at reducing oxidative stress in our body. So that's our starting point. The next thing I like to add is something called trace minerals. So when you take a multivitamin or when you eat food that's grown in most of the soil that's around today, sometimes it's deficient in these trace minerals. And so you can easily get a supplement. This one is by the brand Monol, and I just put 10 to 20 drops into the smoothie, and there's absolutely no taste with that whatsoever. The next one is zinc. You've probably heard of zinc lozenges. Lots of people recommend taking zinc lozenges at the first sign of a scratchy throat, a bit of a cold, or another kind of zinc supplement. This is a liquid. So this is made by Genestra, and it has almost no taste whatsoever. So easy to slip into these kids' smoothies. They don't know it's there. And all I need to do is put about 3/4 of a teaspoon, which is equal to a cup. And there we go. The next thing, fish oil, omega-3 fatty acids, super anti-inflammatory and very good for immune function. This one is liquid flavored in lemon. So it tastes fine, no fishy taste whatsoever. Again, I can put it into the kids' smoothies. They don't know it's there. And I put about a tablespoon. And next supplement, I've got vitamin D. I can't tell you how important vitamin D is for immune function. So I live in Canada. The weather here, let's be honest, it's not great a lot of the time, especially during the winter. I don't think I'm gonna see the sun today at all. And so what I do is I put 3 to 5 drops of the vitamin D supplement. Each one has 1,000 international units in it. And so it's a pretty high dose, but I have found that this is the level that I need to take in order to keep my blood vitamin D where I want it. So 3 to 5 drops of the liquid vitamin D, and this is also Genestra brand. Great supplement. All right, the next thing I'm gonna put in is enough almond milk to just fill it up to the top of the, there we go, to the top of the fruit. You can use any kind of milk you want. If you want to use dairy milk, go ahead. I prefer to use a plant-based milk. Cashew milk is great, oat milk is great, almond milk is great, whatever you like, it doesn't matter. All right, then I'm gonna add some protein powder. Protein is super, super important for immune function. We need protein in order to actually make our immune cells. So if you're protein deficient, one of the first things that happens is that you start getting sick a lot. So you gotta make sure you get enough protein. And for those of us who are maybe have busy lifestyles, we're on the go a lot, a smoothie with a lot of protein in it is a really great way to do it. And last, but certainly not least, I'm gonna add some Fringe Manna CBD to my smoothie. So this is a water-soluble CBD isolate, and it has absolutely no taste, it has no smell, and it dissolves beautifully. So the reason why I'm taking Fringe CBD is because CBD is an important modulator of the endocannabinoid system, of which the immune system is really, really an important player. So if we look at our immune system, we see all kinds of cannabinoid receptors in it, particularly CB2 receptors, and CBD helps to interact and modulate that immune system via those cannabinoid receptors. So I take CBD daily, just to kind of keep my immune system functioning, but also to deal with some back pain that I have, and as well as just helping for mood stabilization. So you can see that all of this took me about 1.5 minutes. Really super easy to do. I've got it ready to go. I'm gonna just put it in the blender. And voila.